Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer DoorDash credits to a bank account. First, DoorDash credits are only for food orders or deliveries within the DoorDash app. You can transfer or withdraw them to your bank account. However, if you're a Dasher earning money, you can transfer your earnings in two ways. First, direct deposit. DoorDash automatically sends your weekly earnings to your linked bank account. Second, fast pay. Instantly cash out your earnings for a small fee. Or if you're using Dasher Direct, you can transfer money for free to your link bank through the Dasher Direct app. So remember, credits stay in the app, but earnings can be transferred to your bank. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.